family. So this video, I am going to go out in the snowstorm, and this is a vlog. So I just have to leave it down like that for a minute, just to get these gloves on. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna not wear those gloves. Boy, I've had to film this video 5 times now. 5 times. I'm so frustrated. If anybody is even watching this video, make sure. Sorry guys, what that? Okay, I'm finally going out, Mom.
Stay warm. Don't forget to unlock the door.
I
How long are you staying out? Just long enough to get some video?
yeah, of me being crazy. Okay. We're going through my garage way, guys. Probably not even gonna be able to get back in the house by the time I get back, but you know what? It's okay. Guys, I'm kind of scared. But hey, you guys are... It's so scary. I hate my basement. Oh gosh. Guys. Oh my word. Guys, I need to show you this. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh. It's terrible out. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm literally like, this is not gonna go well. I just know it. Wait, I can't find my sled. Yes, guys, I am going to go sledding in this video. Woohoo! And we are back in the blizzard. Ugh, I hate it out. So deep. Oh my gosh, it's so deep. Guys, this is gonna be a memory. Whoa. This is gonna be a memory, guys. Oh gosh, look at that. It's even taller than me. Wow. Don't know how I'm gonna do this. Wow. Guys, I don't even know how I'm gonna get up here. Wow. Wow, guys. Don't know how I'm gonna get up here. Ah. Ah. So hard. Oh gosh. Ah, I'm almost up. I'm almost up. Almost up. I did it! Woo! I did it, guys! Ah! You guys just got covered. We're still. Help! I'm stuck. Guys, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Ow. I'm stuck. Okay. I got stuck. I just had a heart attack. Oh my gosh, it's so dangerous. We can do this, right? Whoa! I'm stuck! I'm stuck again. I keep on getting stuck. Oh! Cold. I don't want to do this. But hey, you guys are my life. Oh God. gosh, I can't get out. I'm stuck. Guys, I am stuck. I'm stuck. Guys, let's try to get back. Come on, guys. We can do it. Right? Guys, we can do it. Wow! No, we can't. God, I'm stuck. Guys, I need my parents. Help. I'm stuck. Oh, no, I'm not. Ow, I'm stuck again. Please come on, guys. Oh my God, I can't move. Guys, I can't move. I did it. Oh, I did it. Wow. Actually not breaking through right now. Really? I'm actually not breaking through right now. This is so high! Ow. I keep on getting stuck! Ow. 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 I'm cold, guys. I can say I'm stuck. I'm really stuck. I'm stuck, people. This is so scary. Okay. Oh gosh, I can't get out. This time I really can't get out. Get my sled, guys. Woo. Okay, we did it. Oh, we did it. We did it. Still filming? Yeah? Okay. Woo. We're gonna do this. We can get to the top and we can hopefully slide down once. All I'm doing is once. Just want to slide down one time. Oh gosh. Ow. Oh gosh. Ah, sticky. This is not sliding down leather. Oh. Okay. My sled. Oh my gosh. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna get back, but I am. I think so. I think I am. Ugh. I'm probably not gonna even post this video because I'm so dumb looking out here. Oh my gosh. So guys, as you all know, I have a horse and okay guys, I gotta jump. I'm jumping. I'm gonna jump. That was awesome! So as you know, guys, I have a horse and her name's Dancer and she's a pony. She's a Welsh gray pony and she is probably right now in the snow. And she's really short, so she probably can't even walk. And she's the height of me, so she probably can't even walk. I don't know how blurry my camera is. Oh gosh, I think I'm locked out. Whew. Okay guys, I'm ending this video. Once I get inside. Ending this video. Oh gosh, it's all blurry. A little bit better. So I'm ending this video. Inside. Sorry guys.